viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, guys. Thank you for being a part of Caribbean Vibes Cooking Vlog family. Really appreciate the support as always. So in today's video I'm gonna do a jerk chicken kebab. So that's something simple and easy. So I'm gonna use some onion, scallion, bell pepper, garlic, ginger. So I'm gonna chop up the seasons, and it's to help with the marination of the chicken. So I'm gonna blend the season. So I'm using some scallion, 1 onion, adding just a small bit of water. I'm using some chicken breasts to do the kebab. So I'm just cutting them into some small cubes. So I'm gonna add a little bit of vinegar. I'm just washing out the chicken. Guys, the roaster is being rude. The roaster is being rude. So I'm adding some pimento seed. And I'm adding just a little bit of pepper. So I'm gonna sprinkle the season. That's a blended season. So I'm adding a spoon meat season, spoon of all-purpose, spoon of chicken, some jerk season. 2 spoons of jerk season. So I'm adding just a little bit of soy sauce. So I'm just seasoning up the chicken and leaving it to marinate for at least 20 minutes. Just a little bit of salt. So I'm gonna use some pineapple, some white onion, some bell pepper, which is red, green and yellow, for the chicken kebab. So I'm just cutting them into some square. Same with the purple onion. I'm wedging the meat and the sweet pepper and the onion onto the skewer. Adding some bell pepper. So the chicken has been marinating for 20 minutes. I'm just going through and just wedge the meat along with the onion and the bell pepper and the pineapple onto the skewer. So it's jerk chicken kebab for dinner today, guys. Almost finished making the kebabs. I am finished. So the next thing now is to catch up the jerk pan fire. So I already put in the coal in it, so I'm just catch up here and start the process. So I'm putting some dry part of the stick in the fire to make it catch quick. Trying to shoot the video fast, guys, because even though it's windy, but right now I don't know how it's set up when it come on to the rain, because the rain always fall early. So I add on the kebab them on the grill now. And I'm also gonna make a jerk pineapple sauce for them. Just to use the brush to brush them so they can stay moist. So I'm adding some pimento leaf, so I'm just wetting it, and when you wet it, it takes a longer time to burn out. So I'm adding it to add flavor into the kebab. So them start catch color along with the pimento leaf. I gonna help it enhance flavor to them. So I'm making a jerk pineapple sauce. So I'm using 1 glass of pineapple juice, 1 spoon jerk season. I'm using some ketchup. I'm gonna use it to brush over the kebabs. A little bit of soy sauce. So I'm just brushing some of the sauce over them. Turning them and just brushing them gentle. taking them out of the excess heat because it's chicken breast and it don't really take much time to prepare. It's like 10-15 minutes. So I'm checking on the kebab, guys, and they are fully cooked. So I'm just taking them out. And the jerk chicken kebab done. So taste and see what I go on. Excellent job, Chef Caribbean Vibes. Excellent job, my cameraman. Jerk chicken kebab. Guys, make me all run out of words. I tell you, please like, share and comment for more awesome videos, guys. Peace out, we are out.